Pacquiao Mayweather fight natuloy na rin guys. Kaya ngayon papanoorin natin to. Huwag nating patagalin. Let's go! Eto na, yung kinaasam-asam po. Mayweather Pacquiao fight.
I want you to keep this fight clean at all times. Show good sportsmanship. Protect yourself at all times. And what I say, you must obey. Good luck to both of you. Touch them up, God.
Let's go!
Kenny Bayless, who is refereeing his 8th Pacquiao fight and 6th Mayweather match, administers his final instructions. Hashtag finally! The two touch gloves, Floyd Mayweather.
Let's go guys!
Manny Pacquiao.
Round 1.
Pacquiao in the yellow with red.
Manny Pacquiao wearing the yellow trunks versus Mayweather wearing gold and black color. Yun. Let's do this. Ito yung pinakaasam-asam ng mga boxing fanatics guys na matuloy itong Mayweather fight versus Pacquiao. Matindi din itong si Mayweather guys. Malakas din. Yung ano ba, yung malakas versus mabilis. Ito yung labanan ng ano guys, power and speed. Diba? Ito yung labanan ng power and speed. Mayweather guys, power talaga. Tsaka ito naman si Manny Pacquiao, talagang mabilis. Kaya power and speed to. Speed versus power. Okay? Grabe. Talagang matinding labanan. Marami yung mga fans talaga ni Manny Pacquiao guys. Yeah. Sinisigaw yung kanyang pangalan. Manny! 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 Manny!
Chants of Manny echo throughout the confines of the MGM Grand Garden Arena. Very much
Ito talaga yung inaasam eh. Mayweather versus Pacquiao. Fight.
Floyd Mayweather's doing a good thing right now. Even though he's fighting a southpaw, some right-handed fighters will abandon the jab. Floyd's not throwing a hard jab, but he's keeping it out there to blind Manny Pacquiao.
Merong ano eh, merong parang laban na naman sila eh. Pangalawang laban. Ewan ko lang kung matutuloy yung pangalawang laban nila guys, ni Mayweather at Pacquiao. Kasi mayroong ano eh, mayroong kumakalat na ano eh. Uy, tinamaan si Pacquiao din. May kumakalat kasi na ano guys, informasyon na cancel daw yung fight nila ni Mayweather at Pacquiao. Malakas talaga to si Mayweather. Power. Ito namang si Manny Pacquiao, talagang mabilis. At may power din yung kanyang kamao. Ayun no, si Mayweather guys, pailag na lang na ilag guys. Saka kumakapit. Maraming kapit si Mayweather guys sa laban. Yan, tapos na yung part 1 guys. So, ayun. Talagang si Mayweather talaga guys, mabilis din umilag eh. At saka counter puncher din. Kaya medyo nahihirapan si Pacquiao na habulin talaga. Ayan, habol ng habol si Pacquiao at si Mayweather naman, umiilag. Pabilis din naman siyang umilag talaga. Oo. Si Pacquiao guys, mabilis talaga din siya umatake. Pero kapag nagka-counter na si Mayweather, talagang nararamdaman ni Pacquiao yung power talaga ni Mayweather. Or nakikita ko na nararamdaman. Ayan, personally, nakikita ko na nararamdaman ni Pacquiao talaga yung power ni Mayweather. Yun yung ano natin, opinion natin dun sa round 1. So ngayon, dito tayo sa round 2. Let's go! Okay. Ayun, no, di ba? Talagang power talaga eh.
Pacquiao coming out more aggressively. He must have got
Yan, kanan yun guys ha. Kanan yun ni Mayweather guys. Pero, talagang nararamdaman ni Pacquiao yung mga speed. Ayun talagang hinahabol ni Pacquiao si Mayweather guys. Pero, mabilis. Talaga niya maaabutan. Si Mayweather, kapag kumakaunter, yumayanig talaga si Pacquiao. Yun yung nakikita ko guys ha. It's my personal opinion. Kasi reaction video tayo dito. So, inaabangan natin guys sana matuloy yung second round or second fight rematch ng dalawang to. Matakbo-takbo si Mayweather hindi maabutan ni Pacquiao. Mabilis din kasi umilag. Mabilis din si Mayweather. May power. Yung ginagawa ni Pacquiao dito talagang sumusugod siya para makuha niya yung makuha niya yung eksaktong talagang tatamaan talaga niya ng suntok si Mayweather. Pero nakikita natin yun, yun. Yun. Diba? Talagang naiilagan ni Mayweather Saka kapag, dikit na, talagang, kumakapit si Mayweather. Yun yung nakikita ko, guys. Pero yung comment mo na lang dyan sa baba kung ano yung opinion nyo. Pero magandang laban talaga, guys. Oo. Second round pa to, guys, ha? Pero napapansin na natin na kumakapit talaga si Mayweather. Ayun. Diba? Oo. Talagang umiilag Naiilagan ni Mayweather yung mga suntok ni Pacquiao Oh. Dirty move. Pero advantage ni Mayweather dito ng kaunti. Kasi mas mataas siya konti dito, guys. Yun, Talaga umaatake si Pacquiao. Mabilis talaga umiskip si Mayweather. Walang talo to Kaya talagang magaling to sa diskarte talaga. Pero iniintay natin yung second rematch talaga Maraming pinakawalan si Pacquiao na suntok guys pero talagang naiilagan talaga ni Mayweather. Ayan, yung part round 2 yun guys. So yung ko guys, opinion ko dito sa round 2 guys, talaga ganun pa rin dun sa round 1. Talagang makikita natin yung bilis umatake ni Pacquiao, yung bilis din umilag ni Mayweather. So, yan, tama naman yung sabi ng kanyang kaibigan na coach na talagang pinagmamasdan, binabantayan lang ni Mayweather yung galaw ni Pacquiao. Oo. Okay. So, round 3. Tingnan natin guys, round 3. Ano kaya makikita natin dito sa round 3?
Mayweather 11 of 32 for 34%. Manny Pacquiao 6 of 44 for 14%. You know that Floyd Mayweather is going to be economical. Do the numbers surprise you for Manny Pacquiao, who's used to throwing a lot more punches than that?
Well, I'm not surprised.
Okay.
I mean, that's what happens when you fight.
Talagang umiilag Talagang naiilagan niya talaga guys. Mabilis umilag si Mayweather
He counters, so you don't want to throw 100 punches around. That's what Floyd Mayweather's done throughout the duration of his career with volume punches.
Mayweather's plus 24 plus minus rating, number 1 amongst all current championship caliber fighters. That means he was 24% higher than his opponents go against him.
Ayun, parang baba kunti.
Midsection with that straight right hand.
Okay. Sige lang.
And Manny thinking was a little low.
Ayun, tinamaan si Mayweather doon guys. Parang nagalit si Pacquiao Parang naging mas agresibo. And kumakapit talaga si Mayweather guys pag na medyo alanganin.
Frustration leads to mistakes.
Okay.
Mayweather saying that Manny Pacquiao's style is too reckless. Pacquiao coming back and saying reckless is what the fans want to see. They want to see action.
Yung malakas yun guys. Talagang naiilagan ni Mayweather eh.
It's got to be controlled aggression. If not, something bad can happen.
Yun.
And it can happen quick.
And Manny
Ayun.
Pacquiao on the attack immediately. Floyd clinches.
Ayun.
And again,
Umaatake talaga si Pacquiao guys.
storyline in the fight. It was in the rematch against Marcos Maidana. And there's Floyd doing what he does, leaning on Manny
Sige.
Pacquiao, using all the
Yun.
tricks of the trade, and then letting
Malakas
it
talaga.
go again.
Malakas talaga si Mayweather guys.
Put his back foot kind of up in the air and he leans forward. He's coming for that lead straight right hand. Manny has to be aware of that.
Yan.
Coming up on the final minute of the
Sana matuloy talaga yung rematch ng dalawang to.
the ropes, but maintaining distance right now, trying to fake. Mayweather sticks the jab, leads with the right hand, and now there's a front face lock in. Really, the referee, Kenny Bayless,
Talagang ano talaga guys.
admonishing Floyd Mayweather.
Madumi. Lumaro.
Mayweather
Ang kalaban na to.
one point against Jose Luis Castillo in their first meeting for using his elbow. That's something that Kenny Bayless is going to have to really pay attention to, Andre.
Yeah, it's one thing to
Okay.
have an occasional situation, but if it keeps happening, he's going to have to step in and do something about it.
Nako.
Or Manny Pacquiao may have to police the situation himself.
Sige.
Floyd Mayweather missing with the right hand.
Okay,
Takes the
yun.
jab, counterattack by Manny Pacquiao that turned out to be arm punches. Thus far, Manny Pacquiao unable to get on the inside where he needs to be, but I know against a master
Yun.
counterpuncher, the top defensive fighter of his era, that is a monumental task.
Ayun oh. Magaling. Magaling. Maganda. Maganda.
Lead right hand and a flurry at the end of the round. And the exchange glances and Manny
Tumatawa lang si Pacquiao guys.
the crowd.
Talagang ano, yung sa round 3, maganda din naman yung pinapakita nila guys. Maganda talaga. Nakaka-entertain talaga yung ano nila. Ito yung parang below the belt. Tingnan natin guys. Ago. Oo. Yun. Hindi naman pala talaga below the belt guys. Palang level lang.
But not low, Andre.
Nasa level lang.
Borderline, legal shot.
Oo, tama. Borderline. Yun. That's hindi siya low shot. Borderline siya guys. Borderline. Baka puntos na din yun ni Mayweather guys.
A nice sequence right here from both fighters
Yun,
and Manny
yun.
Pacquiao. Short exchange, but I'd have to
Yan,
say
pa dito na parang nagalit.
got the crowd out of their seats.
Pang sumugod eh. So ngayon, round number 4. Let's go.
According to CompuBox,
Round number 4. Round 4 tayo.
Floyd Mayweather 20 of 41
Okay.
for 49%, Manny Pacquiao 11 of 47 for 23.
Malakas talaga.
Mayweather has landed
Oh.
50% of his power shots in his last 13 fights. Number one
Power talaga yung shot.
categorical leader.
Power talaga.
Pacquiao's landed
Yung mga suntok
47% of his.
ni Mayweather guys.
Mayweather
Yun.
against the ropes.
Si Pacquiao guys, mabilis. Mabilis. Single stroker si Mayweather guys, pero malakas. Pacquiao naman, maraming pinapakawala na suntok.
Good shape.
Mabilis.
We talked about the shoulder roll earlier, and if it will work with the left-hander. Watch this sequence right
Ika, yun nga yung sabi ko dito guys, na etong match na to, power versus speed.
Also using the shoulder roll.
Power and speed to guys.
Defensive fighters of his era. Manny Pacquiao, one of the greatest offensive fighters of any era, trying to go on the attack here against Floyd Mayweather. Backs him up with that right. Now Mayweather with the high guard. Manny Pacquiao again with the flurry of punches. Short bursts.
Manny, even though he's not having, large success, he's having the best success when he starts low with Floyd Mayweather. He hits
Yan.
straight to the body and then works his way up. That's the best chance he has. But if he goes straight for the head,
Sige.
Floyd's going to time it every day of the week and get out the way.
Ayun. Tinamaan. Tinamaan si Mayweather dun. Jab straight. Pero talagang matibay talaga.
That move by Manny Pacquiao.
Power talaga si Mayweather guys.
He tried to test him out to see how he was, but didn't go crazy, so he didn't punch himself out. Smart move.
Pacquiao's family on its feet. Most of the fans here at the MGM Grand on their feet. Encouraged by Manny Pacquiao.
Tama naman yung ginawa ni Pacquiao guys na umatras na lang siya kasi baka maubos yung kanyang lakas eh.
He started low, he finished high.
Naka-cover naman talaga si Mayweather.
Watch out.
Di basta-basta talaga magigiba yung depensa ni Mayweather guys. Malakas talaga.
You look at can still see the remnants. That was a stiff left hand that he ate from Manny Pacquiao.
This is what this fight is all about. Ebbs and flows, back and forth.
Talagang madumi talaga.
Somebody's gonna have to earn it tonight if they want to be the last man standing.
Half minute remaining in the fourth.
Sige, tingnan pa natin.
Punches out the jab blocked by the southpaw Pacquiao. Misses with the jab of his own.
Ayun.
Straight right hand though the lead.
Yun.
Countered by Mayweather, effective as always.
Floyd Mayweather seems to have his wits about him. He's clear-headed,
Yep.
and he's back in this fight.
But a great round for Manny.
Pinupuntir yan ni Pacquiao yung ano eh, yung ulo ni Mayweather. Yun. Pinupuntir yan niya yung ulo. Yun, maganda. Maganda pinakita ni Pacquiao dito sa round na to. Ayos. Maganda talaga yung laban, guys.
Here we see an exchange.
Round 4 to. Yun, no?
A jab, Manny
Ayun, di ba?
directly with the straight
Kita
left.
niyo yung
Buckled Floyd Mayweather.
ano
Manny
pala yun?
tees off on Floyd, but Floyd, to his credit,
Street
covered
pala
up
yun,
and
street
not
jab.
many of those punches landed. And Manny
Ayan,
said,
oh.
okay, let me step
Oh.
back, get my breath back, and reset.
Oh.
Smart by
Ayun.
Floyd and smart by Manny Pacquiao.
Yan, very smart po. Talagang smart na smart si Pacquiao, guys, kasi alam niya na parang kakapusin na siya sa hangin, kaya umatras siya para ma-refresh or ma-reset. Kasi delikado yan kapag ganyan, no? Naka-cover talaga si Mayweather at mahirap gibain yung forma. You know? Diba? Ayun, diba? Dog at that street. So ngayon, guys, dito tayo, round 5.
Power punches in round 4. Floyd Mayweather 4 of 9. Manny Pacquiao 12 of 42. The bell at round 5. Pacquiao parrying the jab of Mayweather. Mayweather
Yun.
goes downstairs to the
Yun.
body with a right hand. That jab was blocked by Pacquiao. Counter left hook raises the face of Pacquiao by Mayweather.
Floyd is a champion and Floyd
Sige.
is a veteran. And Floyd doesn't get credit for it.
Talaga, totoo, veterano talaga to si Mayweather.
He gets upset when you buckle him or land a good
Veterano
shot.
din naman to
And
si Pacquiao,
slowly
eh.
starts to take over. Manny can't
8
let that happen right now.
Division World Champion.
Resist
Di ba?
for an illuminating
Malakas yan.
turn of events. In between rounds, Floyd Mayweather Sr. good counter right cross by Mayweather. Told his son that he was fighting like he was scared.
Wow.
Now, whether that's motivational or
Okay.
that's the truth, it's what Floyd Sr. said.
Wow. Kind of out of character.
Yun,
Oh,
ayun.
but there's Mayweather backing Pacquiao up with a right hand. You know, skill and confidence are an unconquered army, and Mayweather, who possesses plenty of both, is unconquered in 47 prize fights. Many thought this would be his toughest test, and Manny Pacquiao is...
Ewan ko kung bakit dito sa laro na to, guys, kasi nakikita natin, uma-attack si Mayweather eh, ayaw makipagsabayan. Pero sa tingin ko, guys, naman dito sa laro ito, kaya naman siguro ni Mayweather makipagsabayan, pero bakit hindi siya sumasabay? Siguro, tactic din niya yan. Yan yung ano, yan yung style niya dyan sa laro na yan kasi baka nag-aalagan din siya. Ay ano, inuhog talaga ni Mayweather yung kanyang ano ni Manny Pacquiao. Ulo kapag nakadikit na sa kanya. Ewan ko lang, bakit? Siguro, natatakot siya na baka dumikit eh.
You have to wonder how the judges are scoring this fight.
Kasi nagpapakawala talaga ng napakaraming suntok si Pacquiao.
Maybe Manny's aggressiveness. Who knows? So
They're only human. How much does the crowd impact them with every Manny Pacquiao attack, even punches that are
Yan no, palagi tumatakbo, guys.
There's Mayweather using
Di ba? Ito yung nakaka-disappoint sa laro na to, guys. Dahil
this fight has been exciting and it's only the 5th round. We still got a lot of
tumatakbo eh. Gusto natin makipagsabayan siya.
final 20 seconds of the fifth.
Yan talaga yung kanyang fighting style. Wala tayong magagawa.
Manny feinting with his
Pero inaabangan talaga natin, guys, yung rematch. Yung rematch talaga kasi si Pacquiao, guys, eh, willing naman talaga siya makipag-rematch. Open na open siya. Sabi ni Pacquiao pa nga, eh,
another round is in the books here.
he is in good shape. Kaya pwede siyang lumaban pa. So, inaabangan natin yung rematch ng dalawang to para ma-enjoy naman natin. Okay? So, ngayon guys, maraming salamat. If you like more like this video, please subscribe, click the notification bell para updated naman kayo anytime na may bago tayong reaction video. Maraming salamat po. God bless. Peace.